everyone! In this video, we are making something sweet and festive, a DIY Christmas tree candy canister. You'll need the following. We will repurpose an empty plastic bottle. Make sure it's clean and dry. Draw a line around the bottom part of the plastic bottle. Cut along that line using a cutter. You'll end up with a container just like this. Get a Craft Easy foam sheet in any color you like and cut a circle in the same size as the mouth of the plastic container. Make 2 of these. Then, cut a long strip of the same foam sheet. Using hot glue gun, stick the 2 circular foam sheets on top of each other. Then, glue the strip of foam around it to create a cover for the container. Cut a bigger piece of foam sheet with scalloped edges and glue it onto the top of the cover you just made. Set it aside. Now let's make a foam tree. Cut 4 identical Christmas tree shapes and glue the sides together to make it 3-dimensional. Do the same with a star and glue them on the top of the tree. Spruce up the cover with some Craft Easy glitter. There are many colors to choose from. Then, use hot glue to attach the tree on top. Decorate it with colorful pom-pom balls. Fill the plastic container with candies or chocolates, then put the Christmas tree cover in place. And there you have it, your very own Christmas tree candy canister. It's an adorable gift idea or table centerpiece to add some holiday cheer to your homes.